Andito kami ngayon sa jump-off ng aming Camp Utopia climb dito sa Kapangan. Yung Kapangan ay yung munisipyo na katabi lang ng Kibungan. No? That's why the terrain here looks familiar. So magsisimula kami dito at bababa kami mga 20 minutes and then aakyatin namin yan. Aakyatin namin yung bundok sa likod ko. That will take us another 2 to 3 hours paakyat. So wish us luck. Ito na, nagsisimula na kami maglakad. So, sa kalye pala kami magti-trek. Ang init. It's 10:30. So, sobrang init. Sana hindi kami maubos at malusaw dahil sa init.
Hindi ba buhay? Hindi na ba?
May ahas sa trail. By the way, this is the first hike for the year 2024 for all of us here. So it's quite exciting. We are recovering from the binge eating of the holidays. So this is going to be a good workout. Sana hindi kami mahirapan dahil sa additional kilograms that we gained during our off-season, quote-unquote. Ay, abuti na lang, we are here in the north, in Benguet, where it's not, even though it's hot, it's, you know, breezy actually. So when you're in the shade, it's kind of cool actually. And in the morning kanina, when we stepped out of the van, it was really cold. So we are looking forward to that kind of weather here. Alright, iiwanan na namin tong kalye at akit na kami sa footpath. Andito na kami sa cable.
Mga contractors ngayon. Minsan yung engineer, diretso na sila. Hindi na sila nag-gas. Uy, yung gulang may hanging bridge. Ba't wala sa IT ito? Hindi ko lang hinag. Ha? Wala kaya.
Ito na, simula na yata ng paakyat namin. Whew! Grabe, sobrang init. Whew!
May lilim na dun.
Wow. Sobrang hirap nitong switchbacks. Nakakahilo siya, no? Kasi maiksi yung switchbacks, tapos babalik ka na magzigzag-zigzag ka. Pero tanaw na namin yung bahay kung saan kami magla-lunch. It's already 1:45 at gutom na kami ni Jay. So buti naman nandito na kami.
I wanna eat my bihon.
Ayan na. There's the house. Isang switch na lang. Doon na kami. This is our lunch area.
Ay, nandun sa inupuan ni Maui. Nandun yung trail.
Mahigit isang oras na lang daw yung campsite from here. So resume na yung trek namin. It's just 2 in the afternoon. Kaya maaga kami makakarating doon sa Camp Utopia.
Na-appreciate ko yung switchback kanina kahit may...
Oh, kaya nga eh. Grabe. The view from here.
Yeah.
Ito, mas mura-mura.
Oh, mas mura-mura to.
Para ang dami pang pwedeng akitin sa bukid nun. Pahinga muna kami, mga chubby climbers.
ito ano, 30 minutes.
Grabe yung bangin, no? So ilang minutes na lang tayo from here?
5 to 10?
From here, from this spot.
10.
Yay! Jay, gagawin ba tayo?
Pag ginabi tayo, ibig sabihin, nagpahinga tayo ng 3 oras dito.
Andiyan na, di ba? Yung gate, oh. Sige. Yay! It's the gate. The gate na... There's actually no gate. But this is it. This is the campsite area. Ito ang view na napamangha kay Jay. This is it. That's the campsite. Yeah, may barbed wire dito, preventing us from getting too close to the cliff edge. Warning, cliff edge. Keep out. Kung kailan, literally, I'm 20 steps from the campsite. Saka ako nagka-cramps, diba? Haray ko.
Here, 20th anniversary mo na sa AMSI.
No, 19th pa lang. 19.
2005 ka, diba?
Oh, ito 2024 ngayon eh. Next year pala.
2025.
Yes. Hi!
Tito Alman.
Ala! Kaya nga eh. Kung kailan nasa campsite to, saka ako nagka-cramps, ang sakit. Andito na kami sa campsite after 4 hours and 10 minutes of trekking. It was really hard kasi like except for the initial pababa na mga 20 minutes, lahat paakyat and a lot of dizzying switchbacks and sobrang tarik. Yung foot namin nakaganon lagi because the ground was really at a very steep angle. Pero andito na kami eh. Sabi nga namin 3 to 4 hours yung trek. That included 1 hour and a half of lunch. So okay na yan. We're here so early. It's not even 4 o'clock yet. Maraming salamat. So this is our first climb for 2024. Woohoo! Guys, congratulations! First climb of 2024. The sun has risen here in Kapangan. It's a beautiful morning and ready na ako magluto. Problem is we don't have water because there's a water source actually nearby, just down there. And we have a hose na galing pa sa creek. Unfortunately, no water is running. Unlike last night, ang lakas ng tubig. So we're just waiting for water to be available so that we can start cooking. Yeah, but this is how the campsite looks like. Grabe, kahit wala kayo doon, alam niya yun. Sabi ko sa inyo, tumabi kayo, ayaw yung maniwala sa akin.
Ang haba, maabot pa ron. Hindi ko naman naamoy agad. Tapos naglalala.
Bioweapon yan eh.
Andyan lahat, 3.
Ito ba metalas na ano? Yung sabi mo?
Oo, yung Offinel.
Dito na lang, yung easy trail na lang. Balik tayo soon. Hindi pa talaga ng mga vlogger ng mga orga siguro.
Yeah.
Tawag naman pag nag-start mo.
At least hindi kami duwag tulad ni Jay. Kami ako tinalikuran ko lang, si Jay talaga.
Or gumagamit ng kambing.
Pareho. Pero mas nakakatulan ng kambing eh.
So sabi ni Jay, may dadaan kaming 7 waiting sheds before makarating dun sa end ng trail. Ito na yung unang waiting shed. Papahinga muna kami dito. Na-distract siya dahil nakita ka niya.
Pero kalamin na alalim niya pa. Pero at least na-capture yung bomba ko.
So yung dating foot trail ay pinapalawak na at ginagawang kali. Nandito na kami sa concrete path. Ibig sabihin, malapit na kami. It's about 1 kilometer na lang to the end of trail. Ayan na. This is the last of the 7 waiting sheds along the trail. Ibig sabihin, andun na kami halos sa community. Maraming salamat. Mainit ang sikat ng araw pero ang lamig ng hangin. The perfect combination. Ang ganda ng trail. Semento. And just like that, after 2.5 hours of walking, nandito na kami. We are at the end of the trail in Barangay Sagubo. Yan, sa likod ko. Sagubo. Here in Kapangan. Maraming salamat. Wow, what a nice experience. Not so difficult to hike, especially pauwi. And also, sarap sa campsite. Hello! Magandang hapon! Ayan, ang saya-saya pa rin namin. Nakaligo na kami. And we are ready to go back to Baguio and then eventually Manila. So yun, it's a wrap. The first climb of 2024 has been completed. Maraming salamat sa mga kasama ko. Salamat kay TLJ for organizing this. Maraming salamat Kapangan for the beautiful weather. Alright, I'll see you again soon. And more adventures. Bye.